In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram message delete. So if you're facing this error, the first problem may be because of the global outage. You can simply try accessing Instagram on the web if the app is facing some outage. Or you could also try using it on any other device or PC, and if it's not working anyway, then that might be the server issue. You can simply wait for some time and the issue will be solved. And if the problem is on your app, then what you can do is, first of all, ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable and working. Then the next thing is simply click and hold on to Instagram icon, click on more features, then go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you'll find clear data and clear cache. Click on clear cache. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. Now from here, press and hold on to your power button. From here, restart your phone and then try accessing Instagram again. And if the problem persists, simply press and hold on to Instagram icon, click on uninstall, then confirm it. Then go to Play Store and download the app again. And the problem should be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.